I wrote the book because once upon a time when I was 21 years old and doing my student teaching in Arizona, like I felt really isolated being in a pretty traditional school without anybody to go to for support. Like, how do you do progressive methodology? So I subscribed to like Rethink Schools magazine. I read all this stuff and I was reading all these amazing authors, but none of them were really concrete about like, this is how you do it, right? And so later I'd find resources like IDEO's Design Thinking for Educators, which was amazing because after reading it, I felt like there's plenty of examples I could get through. I could do design thinking with my kids. The same with the Institute for Play's playbook for play-based learning. It was like, oh wow, this is amazing. I've always heard about gamification. I read about this and how cool it is and how exciting and engaging it is to learners. And then I had a playbook for how to do it, which I did. So then I implemented it. So I thought, with people from all over the world coming to Learn Life to see what we do here, but oftentimes they see it, they see the magic, but they don't understand how to replicate it, how to do it themselves. So I wanted to give kind of a step-by-step guide, everything from the envisioning part of what you want your learning community to look like, all the way through to how do you interview the best people, to how do you design programs.